take, shape, table, waist, main, face, date, eight, phrase, ladle, shade, daisy, stake, bale, bane. 10, get, then, deck, said, fed, fell, shed, beg, then, better, web, read, friend, weather. At a train station. Mr. Gray is waiting at a train station for a train. Mr. Gray: Hey, this train is late. I've been waiting here for ages. Conductor: Which train are you waiting for? Mr. Gray: The 8:18 to Plain Falls. Conductor: The 8:18? I am afraid you have made a mistake, sir. Mr. Gray: A mistake? But I have to take this train, and my schedule says Plain Falls 8:18. Conductor: Oh no, sir. The Plain Falls train leaves at 8:08. Mr. Gray: At 8:08? Conductor: That's right. They changed the schedule at the end of April. Today is the 8th of May. Mr. Gray: Changed it? I guess they changed it while I was away on vacation. Can I see the new schedule? Where does it say that? Conductor: Right here. Train to Plain Falls 8:08. Mr. Gray: So the train isn't late. I am late. Number 2. Train, afraid, gray, hay, late, waiting, ages, 8, made, plane, station, vacation, mistake, changed, 18, today, May, away, April, say.